Hello everyone. Now we know about how to distribute the key in a cryptography if the encryption or cryptography system is asymmetric cryptography. We already know about how the symmetric key cryptography, that symmetric key distributed between the two users, that the solution is KDC, is a key distribution center who one provides a symmetric key to both users. Now what is the solution under the asymmetric? We know about what is the asymmetric, that is K1 is a key which is used for encryption and K2 is a key which is used for decryption. After the decryption, again this plain text which one is sent by the allies, consider this is allies, this is a Bob. Now when allies encrypt the plain text with the K1, generate the ciphertext, send to the second user is a Bob. Bob decrypt it with the K2 and get the same plain text which is sent by the allies. That is simply the scenario. Now the question is how this K1 and K2 is distributed between the allies and Bob. How the K1 comes to the allies to encrypt the message, how to K2 comes to the Bob to decrypt the message. Means how to distribute the asymmetric key, right? How this two key comes with allies and Bob. Now the solution is the public key infrastructure, right? Is a public key infrastructure which one is used to distribute the asymmetric key cryptography or the asymmetric key pair. Because of this K1 K2, it's matter about to who one send the message to whom. That one is the ally send a message to a Bob, then the key pair is used by the Bob's key pair. Means this K1 and K2 is the Bob's public key and the Bob's private key. Now this PKI, Bob register under this PKI before to convert before to communicate to allies. Same allies also register with this PKI and generates its key pair. Like Bob have a key pair of K1 and K2, then allies have a key pair about the consider allies public key and allies private key, right? This one is the key pair of the allies, this one is the key pair of the, we can say the B, Bob's public key or the key pair, right? Now B, Bob's public key is a K1. Definitely if allies want to send a message to a Bob, allies use the Bob's public key, which one is make available by the public key infrastructure to a register user or the register user, we can say that. Then the allies use the Bob's public key, encrypt the data, then send that ciphertext to the Bob. Bob decrypt that ciphertext with the private key, right? That one is only with the Bob's, that private key is only with the Bob's. Now that decrypt it and get the plain text. This is the logic behind how to distribute the asymmetric key between the user. Thank you.